Karnataka's Congress government reaches the halfway mark of its 5-year tenure this November, and political circles are abuzz with talk of a leadership change specific to the Chief Minister's chair. The opposition BJP in the state has even coined a term for it, the November Revolution. Now, the latest spin comes with expelled BJP MLA Basangowda Patil Yatnal saying that he has clear information from insiders that Congress party chief Mallikarjuna Kharge will replace Siddaramaiah as the chief minister.
ಅವರೇ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಬೇಡ, ಸತೀಶ್ ಜಾರಕಿಹೊಳಿ ಬೇಡ, ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
While developments on this front are yet to unfold, the controversy to have fanned the flames of a new CM mid-tenure began with a statement earlier in October from Yatindra Siddaramaiah, a Congress MLC and the Chief Minister's son. On October 22nd in Belagavi, Yatindra said that Public Works Minister Satish Jarkiholi is well suited to take over the leadership of the brand of politics based on liberal and secular ideology. He added that his father was at the fag end of his political career.
ಇವತ್ತು ತಂದೆಯವರು ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೇನು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಕೊನೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಬದುಕಿನ ಕೊನೆ ಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂತ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ವೈಚಾರಿಕವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಗತಿಪರವಾದಂತಹ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೇತೃತ್ವ ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಒಬ್ರು ನಾಯಕರು ಬೇಕು. ಜಾರಕಿಹೊಳಿ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ವಹಿಸ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಯುವ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ.
On the same day, he was quick to clarify that he was not naming Jarkiholi as Siddaramaiah's successor, nor hinting that he should replace him in the next term.
See, my statement was not about changing the chief minister. I only said after Siddaramaiah sir, because Siddaramaiah sir has told 2028 he will not contest elections. So after Siddaramaiah sir, someone who believes strongly in Congress ideology, which is social justice, which is secular ideology. So someone who believes in these ideologies, they should be able to lead the Congress party. That's all I've said. So all this November revolution is all just rumors.
I was referring to the 2028 elections, he told reporters in Belagavi. Both the Chief Minister and Jarkiholi attempted to put the issue to rest by reiterating that Yatindra was only referring to an ideological successor and that the final call on the CM's post is with the Congress High Command. Amid several political reactions, Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwara said that the party was not informed about Siddaramaiah holding the top spot for only 2.5 years after the party secured a majority in the 2023 polls and elected him as the Congress Legislative Party leader. He also said that if the High Command decides, we will accept it.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
Where does Satish Jarkiholi stand in all this? Speaking in Mysuru on October 26th, Minister Jarkiholi clarified that there is no confusion and Yatindra's statement was on the leadership of the Ahinda movement in the state after Siddaramaiah retires from active public life.
सीएम के बारे में नहीं बताया, वो अहिंदा के बारे में बताया, वो तो अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. नहीं, पार्टी को लेना देना नहीं है, पार्टी की छोड़ के एक संगठन है. Now, Ahinda is a political grouping comprising minorities, backward classes and Dalits in the state. Earlier in October, Jarkiholi also sought to make it clear that he is no longer in the race for the CM post. He said he had opted out of the race about a year ago. He also said that the November Revolution matter was confined to the media.
The CM, a possible CM change in Karnataka, sir.
ऐसा कोई चेंज की बदलाव तो नहीं है, सिर्फ प्रचार हो रहा है, प्रोपगेंडा हो रहा है.
Satish Jarkiholi, the Congress MLA from Belagavi, first came into the spotlight in this matter last year at a time when the state politics was witnessing a churn over the Enforcement Directorate and Lokayukta probes into the Muda scam involving Siddaramaiah's wife. Some Congress leaders had maintained at the time that Jarkiholi is the natural choice to replace Siddaramaiah. This gave way to further indications then that Siddaramaiah favored Jarkiholi over other Congress leaders in case he has to quit midway. This, even as Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has for long been waiting in the wings.
CM ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ.
ಸರ್, ಒಕ್ಕಲಿಗ ಸಿಎಂ ಕೈ
Most telling has been CM Siddaramaiah's repeated change in tone of statements.
ಯತೀಂದ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸೈದ್ಧಾಂತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Twice in July this year, he categorically stated that he would remain in the post for the full 5-year term. And he also indicated that he would lead the party in the 2028 Legislative Assembly elections. Since then, he has been less categorical. He's spoken about the importance of MLA support and also spoken about every decision resting solely with the High Command.